This is Ivan Vučetić. He was born in 1858 on the island of Hvar. He preferred order to chaos, notebooks to parties, and symmetry to everything else. At 32, he boarded a ship to Argentina. The locals called him Juan Vučetić, which he tolerated politely for the rest of his life. In La Plata, he became a police clerk. His desk, perfectly aligned pencils, stacked blotting paper, one magnifying glass. Colleagues thought he was strange. He was. In 1892, a brutal murder left no witnesses, only fingerprints. Everyone else saw smudges. Ivan saw identity. He matched them. The case was solved. For the first time in history, justice rested on fingertips. Every police force in the world would copy him. Scotland Yard, the FBI, all of them copying his method. Back on Hvar, no statue was built, no street was named, just silence. Ivan is forgotten at home, mispronounced abroad. Today, every time you press your thumb to a phone screen, you are repeating Ivan's overlooked magic trick.